Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a look at this brand new Sea Ray 230 SLX. So we walk down the side of the boat here, notice the nice color scheme that we have going on here with the Sea Ray blue and the red accent stripe. Really pops when you're out on the water. Very noticeable. As we move up onto the boat, nice large swim platform with the sea deck flooring. Very comfortable seating area. You can fit a few people back here to hang out, just kind of lounge, whether you're out on the water or you're hanging out at the dock having some cocktails. Just a great entertainment space. So we move forward into the boat. Newer here is the snap-in sea deck, which is an awesome option. This is great because you can take it out, you're able to wash the floor, and you still have that nice comfortable padding underneath of your feet. Very large cockpit area, great again for that entertainment. That's really what Sea Ray tries to hit with the SLX line. It's their luxury line. Just want to have that full entertainment availability with these boats. Very versatile. So we move forward to the helm. I'm going to point out the twin Simrad screens. This is a new pairing with Sea Ray and Simrad. This option is great because you can have your maps and all of your engine data on the other side there. It really gives that captain, full ownership and control over the boat. Very comfortable helm seating area as well. Everything is right here at the touch of a button. Very easy to use and user-friendly. Continue forward up to the bow area. Again, I'll point out with the SLX line, they really put those luxury touches with the diamond stitching in the seat. Really pops and is just that, really that luxury look that they have there. Very comfortable seating area. I can lounge out, hang out, just enjoy my time on the water, or again, that time at the dock hanging out with friends. Really an entertainment space and just a great area to lounge out. Again, this is a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 230 SLX. Again, my name is Bill Herr. You can come see us at MarineMax in Somers Point or give us a call, 609-926-0600. Thank you.